Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load Onlinefix64.dynamic line library on Windows. So here there is some reason or causes that Windows failed to load this dynamic line library. Maybe for like antivirus, read this as a virus or malware. So here, based on isas.com, you can find this article. Thank you for isas.com to provide this article for us. The first solution, you can check if Windows Defender delays the file. So you can try to access your Windows Defender. Open Fear of Virus and Threat Protection from the search bar and click on Protection History. This one. And the action, you can check on quarantine and check the thread remove or restored area for this Onlinefix dynamic line library. If the file was deleted, restore it and try to omitting the game folder from Windows Defender and try rerunning the game to see whether the problem has been repaired. Next, you can recover deleted Onlinefix64.dynamic line library file using this isas. Then you can disable your antivirus. If your antivirus program is preventing, try temporarily deactivating it. And of course, you can consider to reinstall. Reinstall the software or game that have this problem. And you can manual file replacement. You can go to DLL Me. You can download Onlinefix64 dynamic line library, but you have to be careful. This is for advanced. And method 5, you can run as system file checker. You can open command prompt by administrator. Here you can find command prompt in the start. This one, command prompt. And then right click, run as administrator, type sfc #scan now, and then press enter in order to fix this corrupted system files. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.